Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw payouts from Shopify Capital advances, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin withdrawing payouts from your Shopify Capital advances, log into your Shopify account. Navigate to the Finances section in your Shopify admin. Select Capital from the drop-down menu. Here, you will see the details of your cash advance. Review the available balance that you can withdraw. Next, click on the Withdraw button. You will be prompted to enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Enter the desired amount and double-check to ensure it matches your needs. After confirming the amount, select the payment method for your withdrawal. You can choose to receive your funds via bank transfer or other available options. If you select bank transfer, enter your bank account details if not already saved. Confirm your bank information is accurate to avoid any delays. Once you have reviewed your withdrawal details, click on the Confirm Withdrawal button. Your withdrawal request will then be processed by Shopify. Keep an eye on your email for a confirmation of your withdrawal request. Typically, funds will be transferred to your account within a few business days. If you encounter any issues, revisit the Capital page for updates on your request. In case of persistent problems, consider reaching out to Shopify support for assistance. This completes the process for withdrawing payouts from your Shopify Capital advances. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.